Welcome to Island Whispers. Today we uncover one of the most asked questions by travelers. What is the climate like in Sri Lanka? From sunny beaches to misty highlands, from tropical monsoons to dry plains, Sri Lanka's climate is as diverse as its landscapes. In this video, we'll explore how the island's weather changes across regions, seasons, and months. We'll also answer popular traveler questions and share practical tips to help you plan your trip with ease. Let's begin. Situated in the north of the equator, Sri Lanka has a tropical climate. This means warm temperatures all year, usually between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius or 77 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunshine is abundant, but the weather is shaped by seasonal rains known as monsoons. These determine which side of the island is at its best during different times of the year. There are two main monsoon seasons. The southwest monsoon from May to September, which brings rain to the southwest coast and the hill country. The northeast monsoon from October to January, which brings rain to the north and east. And during the months in between, the weather is more unpredictable but still often mixed with sunshine. The beauty of Sri Lanka is that no matter when you come, there's always a part of the island enjoying its dry season. Sri Lanka's climate also varies by regions and by zones, and that's what it makes it so special for travelers. The south and west coast are best from December to March. Think golden beaches in Batiklo, Hikkaduwa, Mirissa and Galle, where you can enjoy surfing, whale watching or just relaxing by the sea. Colombo, the bustling capital, also enjoys its driest weather during these months. The east coast shines between April and September. The calm blue seas of Trincomalee and vibrant surf culture in Arugam Bay and untouched stretches of sand near Pasikuda and Nilaveli make this side of the island a summer paradise. The hill country is cooler all year round with misty mountain landscapes. Here you will find Nuwara, nicknamed Little England, surrounded by tea estates, the scenic train journeys to Alla, the cultural highlights in Kandy including the Temple of Tooth Relic, lakes, waterfalls and hiking trails are plentiful in this region. Beyond these regions, Sri Lanka is divided into 4 broad climate zones. The wet zone covering the southwest and central highlands, where you will find rainforests, waterfalls and cities like Ratnapura famous for gems. The dry zone, stretching across the north and southeast, includes the Great Cultural Triangle with Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa and Sigiriya, as well as famous national parks like Yala and Vilpattu, where elephants and leopards roam. The intermediate zone lies between those two with a balanced mix of rain and sunshine, home to fertile farming areas and lakes, including Kurunagala and part of Badulla. And finally, the semi-arid zone in pockets of the southwest and southeast coast is the driest area. Places like Mana and Hambantota fall here, hot, rugged and excellent for bird watching and exploring less visited coastal landscapes. Here's a month-by-month breakdown to help you plan. December to March is considered the best season. The south and west coast are sunny and ideal for beaches, while the hill country is cool and inviting. April is the hottest month of the year with high humidity. It's also when locals celebrate the Sinhala and Tamil New Year, making it a festive time to visit. From May to September, the southwest monsoons arrive. This means rain on the south and west. But it's the perfect season for the east coast. Surfing in Arugambe and swimming in Trincomalee are at their best during this time. October to November, during the inter-monsoon rains, these showers can be heavy and unpredictable, but they usually don't last all day. Travelers during these months often enjoy fewer crowds and lower prices. Now let's answer some of the most common traveler questions about Sri Lanka's climate. Is Sri Lanka hot all year round? Yes. It stays warm across most regions, but the hill country can be much cooler. Nights in Nuwara can drop close to 10 degrees Celsius, so pack accordingly. When is the best time to visit Sri Lanka? For the south and west, come between December to March, and for the east, the season is April to September. If you are exploring wildlife parks in the dry zone, May to September is great for spotting animals as they gather near waterholes. Does it rain all day during monsoons? Usually not. Rains are often heavy but short, falling in the early morning or late evenings. The rest of the day can still be sunny. Is it safe to travel during rainy seasons? Absolutely. Roads and activities remain open, though some outdoor plans may shift around the showers. What about humidity? Sri Lanka is humid year-round, especially along the coast. In the hills, the air feels cooler and fresher. Can I swim in the sea during monsoons? It depends on the coast. During the southwest monsoons, the seas in the south and west are rough, but the east coast is calm and safe. To travel comfortably in Sri Lanka's climate, a few packing tips go a long way. Bring light cotton or linen clothes to keep cool in the heat. A sweater or jacket is useful if you are visiting the hills. Carry a rain jacket or umbrella, especially if you are traveling between May and November. Always wear a sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. The tropical sun is strong even on cloudy days. Keep a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. And if you're heading for beaches or safaris, a dry bag is a handy way to protect your camera and electronics from sudden rain or splashes. So, is Sri Lanka worth visiting no matter the season? The answer is yes. With its tropical climate, sunshine, somewhere on the island all year around, and landscapes that change with every region, Sri Lanka truly is a year-round paradise. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Island Whispers. This is Island Whispers, discovering Sri Lanka one whisper at a time. Until next video, keep your souls curious and your spirits wandering.